those who have in the back probably supposed to like crack back in place. I already opened it because I forgot that I ordered it. It came 3 weeks after I ordered it, so I forgot I ordered it. So I opened it on up, and I was like, what is this? So I already opened it. So I'm just going to continue to, I just peeked in, so I'm going to continue to open it with you guys. And I was like, what is this? What is this? What does he like? So, this is it. And I ordered the purple one. They come in blue, green, yellow, and purple. So this is the bag thing. I see it all over TikTok. I leave the